Hello, welcome guys, Master Maxify here, and today we have another unboxing. As you can see, this is after I built my one by one. So, let's get into it. Oh, that opened easy. Hold on, camera something. Yay! This is what I wanted. I'll put this, like, here, somewhere. Now, unwrap this. Open this up already. Don't make me wait to get my 2x2x3 cuboid tower, also known as the Slim Tower. Come on. Now I can't pull the bubble wrap off. Nope. Why do you have to close it so much? Well, this came from Hong Kong, so it took around about a week. I ordered it on, not last Tuesday, but the Tuesday before last Tuesday. Come on! Yes! Oh my god, that is like so smooth. Is this a shape-shifting? No. Alright. This is so smooth. That's my double finger. What about the middle? How's the middle move? Wow, this cube is amazing. I have no idea how to solve this thing. Let me try to get this in the checkerboard. No, doesn't go very well. Anyways, I'll be getting into solving this. Well, I'll scramble it now to see what it looks like when it's scrambled. Is it really such a hard puzzle? It probably really is hard. I'm not used to like puzzles that end up like this, so I'll have to get a bit used to speed solve that. Like the 1x1x2 you can build. So basically a 2x2 with just one layer. Cut through the middle. I literally have no idea how to solve this. If you want to, you can skip the scramble because I'm not used to this cube. It's quite small. Is it the proportion? No, not apparently. It's proportion of 3x3. Like, around about like a couple hundred nanometers off. It's a bit stiff. Anyway, okay, now I'm going to try and solve it. So, I have no idea how to do that. But I'm guessing I should do the white face first. I called it, this is the grey face, but no, this is the white face. Alright. Well, it's a, what the, well, That is just so difficult. So yeah, it's not shape-shifting, but it's so weird. At least I'm going to say. This how we do it? No, it isn't. How on earth am I going to get that piece there? How on earth am I supposed to get that there? Oh my god. There's no doubt this is an easy cube. No, there is no doubt that this is a hard cube. Bad language there. Oh my. Well, this is a really difficult puzzle. I cannot solve this. It's pretty big from this camera view. I'm still trying to work out how I get that piece in. Oh my god, that's so hard. Have I done it? I can't get the first layer. Look, the colours aren't matching now. How easy is this coming apart? So yeah, this is a really smooth cube. So one finger push I can do. I can push it with one finger push. Look. Yeah, so that is just a great cube. You should, yeah, I definitely recommend this. Does this come apart? Well, anyway, this is a great cube, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully in the next video I make of Rubik's Cubes, I'll have this one solved. Max out.